Why do 90% of teenagers love their evening drives? For Jason, it was the highlight of his day until one shocking moment changed everything. Jason recently bought his dream car. Every evening, he'd take it out for a spin, feeling the wind in his hair and freedom on the horizon. But one fateful evening, as he geared up for his daily drive, he was greeted by a scene straight out of a nightmare. His car, his pride and joy, was badly damaged. Someone had hit it, leaving it in shambles. Jason stood there, in shock, unable to believe his eyes. The excitement of his evening drive replaced with disappointment and frustration. How could this happen? Who would do such a thing? Jason's perfect routine was wrecked, much like his car. Let this be a reminder to always cherish the moments we have and to drive with care. Stay tuned for more stories that touch your heart and keep you on the edge of your seat. Like, share and subscribe for more.